Alright, y'all. Today, I'm gonna give y'all the first code start. I gave y'all one before on when I first bought it, but that wasn't. I was driving in and all type of shit. But it's been sitting in this code as fuck. So here we go, nigga. Hey, if you're a real supporter game, spam in the comments. Welcome back, Hawk Down. Nah, you ain't gotta say Hawk Down there, but just say welcome back on game. Hold up. Oh, it's not even the right key. Cause bitch, we really have a moose here? Hold up. Come here. Hold up. Did I buy a faulty car? Stay right there, y'all. Hold up. Hold up. Somebody try to strike my shit. I got y'all. Hold up.